storm. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations. Perry, Wellsville, Willard, Bear River City, Mantua, Green, Riverside, Garland, Hunteville, Elwood, Louisville, Penrose, Bothwell, Mantua Reservoir, and Bear River. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:45 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Box Elder, Utah.
Doubleheader! Doubleheader! Doubleheader!
Thunderstorm watch number 245, effective until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Utah: Box Elder, Davis, Salt Lake, Tooele, Utah, and Weber. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Dude, I swear if I catch a triple header.
Severe thunderstorm watch number 245 has been issued until 8 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following